snowy, cold day, as you saw. I was wearing my monster, Seiko Monster, and just because I went outside to do, I did some snow shoveling, cleaned up my wife's car, and she made me a hot cup of hot chocolate. So F is fantastic. and but I cannot wait. I want to unbox this, and today I have another unboxing. Yeah, in just a matter of couple of days I had 2 unboxings. I'm gonna use the Spyderco Manix, my favorite and best blades. It's like a Tori Hanzo sword, and here I have you will probably see it from the thumbnail picture or something, but here I have a knife, and this viewer wanted to stay anonymous. I don't know why, man, because I so want to say who you are, but I'm gonna respect your wishes. So I got a bunch of peanuts, fucking packing peanuts, and here I have some knife goodies, some Spyderco goodies, and 2 Spyderco goodies, and without further ado, I'm just gonna check. Is there anything else but the peanuts? I love these packing peanuts. Thank you. They're so fluffy. They even smell like peanuts. Like crazy. They do smell like peanuts. We're gonna keep this box. It's a full of peanuts. I love this stuff. But yeah, without further ado, just gonna see the. It's something I already took a sneak peek, and I was right. He said this is something, little something to match my orange monster, and I took a sneak peek, and it's one of those Spyderco blades I always liked, but I never saw it in person, and this is surprisingly small. I was expecting this is a Spyderco Dragonfly, and the orange is so fresh and vivid. I don't know if the camera picks up the color, but oh, and this has FRN scales, isn't it? Wow, that's why so many people love Spyderco. But this is just a perfect little blade. And it has a VG10 steel, Spyderco Dragonfly, Seki City, Japan, wire clip, and this one I was using the Spyderco Manix, the large one, because it's too large, but this is definitely perfect for EDC. The handles, I never had the opportunity to check these handles out in person, but this is just awesome. I'm just gonna quickly show you. I have another Spyderco here. I'm just gonna quickly switch perspectives to show you something else. And this is a blade I was sent for review, and as I understood, it's a bit modified. And just here this is paramilitary tree, and this blade is awesome. Wow. And I love the black handles. Wow. I'm not sure, is this the modified Para 2 or Para 3? I'm just gonna have to check out, but this looks stock to me. I don't know what this, and anyways, but it's awesome. I love black stuff, but this orange is so cool, and I think it matches my monster as well. So can't wait to switch perspectives to give you a closer look of these blades. So thank you so much for sending me this. I don't know what to say other than that. God bless you, man. You did make a great snowy day, but brighter for me. So let's just switch them. Can you check out this orange color? I love it. This orange color just makes it pop. And I was all my life as a EDC guys watching the reviews and whatnot, and I always had some kind of a prejudice against this foreign scales, or if I'm saying it wrong, correct me, but there were some delicacies, and I remember watching from non-fancy to Calorie Lover to Superfly, Fat Guy, and lots of you guys, but I always kind of glanced and looked at this Dragonfly, but this color is just perfect, and it's so lightweight, but it feels firm. It feels like a titanium, and I think the Dragonfly is just a perfect little blade. What more can you need? What more can you ask for? And I do love the color. Let me just put it next to a monster. I think they are match made in heaven. And this monster, I have a bit mixed feelings with it, because when I first got it, I was so in awe of it. But let me just try to show you like this. Now we need... I was so in awe of the watch, but after wearing it for a couple of weeks, and it's not anymore the watch I was thinking it will be, but I will tell you all about it in a review. But perfect orange EDC, and now I'm gonna add just something else orange. I think I don't know, I'm gonna come up with something, but I like to do things in trees. In number trees, not in trees as a tree. But I cannot believe how lightweight it is and how sturdy the scales are. I've handled lots of cheaper knives, Chinese knives, and the scales, the plastic scales, are kind of flimsy, and you can squish them, and you know what I think. But this one is so hard, and the design of the knife, it's small, but it looks mean, and I like this part here. This, I don't know what you call it. Is it a swedge or something? Please write me in the comment section. But I love it. The next knife, I just want to give you a quick show and tell. This is Paramilitary 3. I know you've been telling me you're gonna send me Para 2 or Para 3, which is modified, but this looks stock to me. So I'm not sure what was modified or what not, and I believe this was just sent me for a review, so I think I'm gonna have to return it, but I'm gonna definitely offer to buy this one because I love the black. And the black scales are just amazing, and it's a Golden Colorado USA. I think I'm gonna definitely offer to buy it as well, because this is something else. And I do love my Manix and this purple, which is a combo purple and blue, and I think this is more collectible, but there's something to be said about just the black and white stuff, and I love the classic stuff. And now I not only have the classics, but I have the orange, the quirky ones, and I love it. Cannot believe how this one looks so good. I cannot believe it. So I don't know what to say, guys. I'm over the moon. Sometimes I just cannot believe my luck, and sometimes I just cannot believe during the course of life, guys, sometimes life hits you so hard that you don't know where you're going, and you just they say to yourself, God, why is this happening to me? And I just realized I haven't plugged in my external mic, so I'm sorry about the sound, but why is this happening to me? But there's something to be said about obstacles, that you need to overcome them, and expectations and whatnot, and sometimes you come to that place, okay, what have I done to deserve this? But sometimes on days like this, I said to myself, what have I done to deserve this? And thank you so much. I don't know what else to say. And in my next upload, I bought a new watch. I got myself a great watch. I did it. This is a sneak peek for all of you guys who've been here so far, who watched this videos until now. So I got myself a watch, and what have you guessed it? And tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I don't know when, but you will see it. It's a review. I cannot recover myself from the beauty of the watch, and I'm not sorry I had to give my Omega and Tudor. I already forgot about them, and yeah, thank you so much. And I don't know what else to say. I gotta go. Gotta go and drink some hot chocolate, so I suggest you do the same, and see you in the next one.